Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design a Shopify store without coding, even if you have zero technical skills, using Shopify's built-in tools in 2026. A professional-looking store doesn't require coding anymore. Shopify gives you everything you need to design a clean, high-converting store using drag-and-drop tools. So yeah, let's get into it. Once you log into your Shopify admin dashboard, go to the Online Store section and open Themes. Here, you'll see your active theme and other available themes. Choose a theme that looks clean, modern, and mobile-friendly. Free themes are more than enough for most beginners. Click Customize on your theme. This opens the visual editor, where you can change your store design in real time. Yeah, everything you see here can be edited without touching any code. Start with the header, upload your logo, adjust its size, and set up the navigation menu. Make sure the menu is simple and easy to understand so visitors can find products quickly. Next, focus on your homepage layout. You can add sections like banners, featured products, collections, and testimonials. Drag sections up or down to change the order. Keep the layout clean and focused. Less is more here. Edit the main banner carefully. Use a strong image, a short message, and a clear call to action like Shop Now. This is the first thing visitors see, so clarity matters a lot. Now adjust colors and fonts from the theme settings. Choose brand colors that match your business and readable fonts for text. Consistency across pages makes your store look professional and trustworthy. Move on to product pages. Customize how product images, descriptions, prices, and buttons appear. Make sure the Add to Cart button stands out and is easy to tap on mobile devices. Don't forget about mobile view. Switch to mobile preview inside the theme editor and check spacing, text size, and images. Most customers shop on their phones, so mobile design is extremely important. You can also use Shopify apps to add features like reviews, trust badges, or pop-ups, again, without coding. These tools help improve credibility and conversions. Before publishing, scroll through your store like a real customer. Check navigation, product pages, and overall flow. Small adjustments here can make a big difference. Once everything looks good, save your changes. Your Shopify store is now fully designed. No coding required. So yeah, that's how to design a Shopify store without coding step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify and online business tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.